Hey, did you see Scarywood's open this weekend?
I did, I've never been.
It's pretty good. Maybe we should get Billy back for one of his pranks.
He thinks he's the best at pranks, we definitely should.
All right, I'm gonna give him a call, see if we can get him to go.
Locksmith Billy here. How can I help you?
Hi, I was calling because one of our closets is stuck and we're located at Scarywood. Do you think you can come out and help us out?
Sure, what time would you like me to meet you?
Well, we open at 7. Does that work for you?
Sure does. I'll see you there.
Awesome, see you there. We're gonna get him good.
Go to Scarywood for a Rekey job.
Oh, I think this is going to be fun.
I'm here because AJ wanted you to have a shot with him.
Sure. What are you sure going for?
If you would sorry, please. Aren't you scared?
Oh, no, really scares me. You know, I bet it's over here.
In Clown Town?
Yeah, probably.
We don't know where we're going.
I do. It's just over here, I think. Yeah, probably through that tunnel.
Ew, what is this? Spiderweb? Are you sure you know where we're going?
Maybe.
Me?
I don't think, wait. She ever told me where this closet
Oh my gosh, what's behind you?
Hey, are you who I'm supposed to meet? Guess not. Rekey was permanently in here. It looks like there might be a lot of cabinets.
You think Rekey's in here?
Probably.
Let's go find out.
Hey, look, there's a closet.
That's right, people, keep going.
Let's just get out of here. Oh my gosh, that was so scary. I can't believe we made it out.
I think
Oh my gosh, I don't think the closet's in there.
no, I think we were set up.
I think we were too.
Let's get out of here.
Yeah, let's go. You know we have to get them back.
Oh, we're gonna get them back next year. If I start acting, then I'm going to be scared.
Just once. Oh my gosh, that got me.
We're being followed by one.
Did you say the thing about the carburetor?
He's like, yeah, these things aren't very well maintained. I'm like, you broke hair.